Well, welcome back. We're joined with Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission this morning. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So today we're making a recipe, a drink recipe, that's just in time for New Year's Eve. D.I.Y. soy cream Irish liquor.
Oh my gosh, how about that? We're ready for the New Year's Eve.
A little bit something different today.
It is. And yes. I love this recipe. If you like the Irish cream to put in your coffee or even hot chocolate, or to have by the fire and just sip it, this is a perfect recipe. It starts out with sweetened condensed milk, and this is 1 can, and we'll put that in our blender here. Nice and rich. See how that goodness there that we're gonna make. Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna add to that, well, I've got the spatula here, 1 tablespoon of our Hershey's chocolate. And then you have some other goodness that we're adding. Yeah. We're adding 1 cup of vanilla soy milk. And you could use plain milk if you wanted. You could even try chocolate milk if you wanted. I like the vanilla, it adds that extra richness. And then we have 1 cup, great, of half and half that you're gonna add.
That.
So more richness that we're adding to this drink.
Look, we're here to celebrate, not be super healthy, aren't we?
And then some vanilla.
Perfect. Get that in there.
All right, we'll put that in there and mix this up. Now take a smell of that.
Oh, that
smells so good. Now we're going to add our alcohol. So we have 1/3 cup of rum there. We'll add that.
Okay.
And 3/4 cup of Irish whiskey. And if you wanted to make this non-alcoholic, just stop where we did the first time.
Because it still smelled and looked great.
It's a wonderful drink, and we'll mix that up. Now I'll let you smell that.
Oh yeah, you got that.
Smells delicious, doesn't it? So this makes, I've poured it in some little glasses here that you could sip by the fire, but I've put it in a pitcher too because it would be great to add to your coffee. A lot of people like to do that, or add to your hot chocolate, and you have your own special drink for New Year's Eve.
A perfect kind of treat for maybe some wintertime celebrations.
Right. That's right. That's right.
Well, if people are looking to get this recipe, where should they go?
Yes, go to our website at kansas-soybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-Soybean. You'll get all the recipes we've done for December, plus a very special one for New Year's Eve.
And this is just perfect, like you said. It's easy to make non-alcoholic if you don't want to have some of this liquor in it, but you can, make it however you would like. But it's a great option.
That's right.
Well, thank you so much, Charlene.
Thank you, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. We'll be right back.